Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool Miss right here, and basically what this is a magnetic whiteboard sheet that you can actually stick anywhere you want to, but they mentioned how you can actually use this on the refrigerator, which is pretty awesome. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a set of two of them, so one big one and one small one, and there's a bunch of other accessories as well. But you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's actually included inside first. Alright, so let's open up this lid first. Alright, so when we open up the lid, you guys can see that that is what's like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so inside the product is all nicely wrapped with a piece of paper right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's all nicely wrapped inside using the magnetic option on here. So it's sticking on itself. But you can see inside there's a bunch of accessories. So there's 4 markers here. And on this side, there's a little eraser. Let me actually take all of them out. Alright, so right here, they provide guys 4 of these markers and different colors as well. And they also have an eraser for each one of these that you can use to erase it if you don't want to use a big eraser. And for each one of these markers, they have a magnetic option on here, if you can see, which is pretty awesome. So you can definitely stick this onto the whiteboard if you guys want to. And for these markers, if you guys want to, they are refillable once you guys have finished using it, which is pretty cool. So those are the 4 markers that's included. They also provide you guys this very cute little magnet as well. Alright, so this is basically what the magnet looks like. Definitely looks very cute. So if you guys want to stick stuff on your refrigerator or on the whiteboard, you definitely can use one of these right here. So it has a magnet on the back. And then inside, they provide you guys some more little magnets as well. These are more lightweight ones compared to the other one. The other one is a little bit more heavy. And then right here, they provide you guys an eraser that has the magnetic options and then stick it onto the whiteboard or your refrigerator as well. It definitely feels like a pretty high quality material in terms of the eraser that's on here as well. So those are all the different accessories that's included in the package. Now let's take a look at the actual whiteboard right here. So what I'm going to do is open up this part right here like this. And you see there's 2 of them right here. So here's the first one, which is the bigger one. And then here's the other one that's a little bit smaller. So for the small one, they mentioned how it's 12 by 10. And the big one is 17 by 12. But this is basically what it looks like in the front. And here's what it looks like in the back. So the back is all magnetic. Same thing for the other one here as well. So this is what it looks like in the back. And here's what it looks like in front. So in terms of thickness of the whiteboard sheet, you can see it's good enough for you guys to use and write on. It's not like super thick like the regular whiteboard because these are the whiteboard sheets. And they mentioned how the product are stain resistant, which is definitely pretty nice if you guys plan on using this a lot. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to the refrigerator to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you see that once we set up the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So we have a small one here, and then we have the big one right here. And you can see we have all the markers here, and we have the little magnets here as well. And also here, and we have the little eraser. Let's test out the markers and the eraser to see how it works. So let me just open up one of these right here. And we'll just write something on this side. Alright, so that should be good. So you guys have the option to either use an eraser on here or you can use the other eraser. Let me try this one first. Alright, so you see how well that works. If you guys want to use the other option right here, you definitely can as well. Alright, so you see how well the product works. And then basically once you guys are done using it, just stick it back on here. Just like this. And it's all set. But if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. Definitely looks pretty cool. Really like the option how they provide you guys a big one and a small one, and it's super easy to use. If you guys want to move it, just go like this and just take it out. If you guys want to put it back on, just go like this. Make sure all sides is sticked on and it's all set. Same thing for this one as well. If you guys wanted to, you can even stick this onto your refrigerator like this, which is much stronger than probably using on the whiteboard. But this is basically what the overall product looks like, if you can see. And I just realized the eraser kind of looks like a bone, if you can see right here, which is pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You definitely see that actually does work and actually works quite well. Literally all you need to do is just stick all of this onto your refrigerator or on the whiteboard. And I really like the fact that how they provide you guys all these different accessories, and the fact that how they provide you guys 2 of these whiteboard sheets. Because if you guys look online, there's a lot of other ones that only give you guys 1 of the sheets and not 2 of them. So this is definitely a pretty awesome deal. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want more than need one of these. Especially if you guys want to be more organized and write all your daily routines or your recipes or grocery lists or whatever. Basically, if you guys want to be more organized, you definitely want to get one of these to put on your refrigerator and organize everything and write everything down that you need to write down. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.